Okay guys, here you can actually see the Wi-Fi, and yes, so here you can clearly saw that we have put papers, a couple of papers there because um, from this area, the birds were continuously coming up, and then we don't want and we didn't want that thing to happen because sometimes birds becomes irritating at this point of time. It doesn't mean it doesn't mean guys don't dig it in another direction. It doesn't mean that we 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 need to kill them. It doesn't mean that um, but yeah, it is really very irritating because it takes a lot of time to remove to make the birds fly outside, and these a couple of things which we have to remember when we are having birds in our house. So okay, so the sun has been gone for a couple of minutes because of clouds. So see you guys in the next one, and I need to go.